Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 180. Owing to the peculiar circumstances of the case, such a course as you suggest is out of the question, and you will have to follow the procedure in accordance with precedent. Further, you must endeavor to secure Mr. and Mrs. Brown as witnesses, as their evidence is absolutely necessary. The fact of the matter is that you have failed to bear in mind the really essential features in connection with the case and have chiefly borne in mind one or two quite subsidiary points. Side by side with this, you have unfortunately displayed a more or less vindictive spirit, which, in our opinion, can only be prejudicial to the success of your claim. Full stop.